It's Taco Tuesday, so we're making burritos. These burritos are really tasty and really healthy. They're gonna blow you away. Stick around. I'll be cooking 2 of these 1-pound packages of ground beef that you may remember from my vacuum sealer video. Seasoning it with this steak seasoning from Aldi. For vegetables, I've got lettuce, green onions, red onion, tomatoes, and jalapenos, sriracha sauce, sour cream, and flour tortillas. While my meat's cooking, I'll go ahead and get the vegetables prepared. I'll show you a tomato trick. I go right down the center, and then all I have to do is cut that little part out to get the core. You don't have to do a lot. There. From that whole tomato, this is all I'm throwing away. Once again, cut down the center and then right through the core, just like that. The meat is about done cooking. What I'll do is I'll drain it. And now I'll season it. I didn't want to season it when I was going to drain all that fat off. I don't really measure things. That was a tablespoon or so. The stuff, if you get it, just be aware that it's really salty. Where is it? 150 milligrams of salt per quarter teaspoon, and there are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon, so 3 times 4 is like, I don't know, 30 teaspoons in a table. Anyway, I'll just mix it up with the seasoning. I've got the heat off. I'll just cover it and let it sit till I'm done with the vegetables. Green onions are next. A quick and dirty way to do these. Cut the bag off like that. Get any gross parts off. regular onion. A lot of people ask me how to cut an onion without crying. I say that's a good question. What do I look like? TikTok? You tell me. Now for the lettuce, I'm going to cut the bottom off. Cut it in half. I've got a little more core in there. Rip that out. Jalapenos, we want to get the seeds and the pithy part out. The pithy part is the white part inside. So I cut the top off, and you have these 3 anchor points where it connects, attaches to the skin, I guess. I cut between 2 of them all the way down. I might experiment around. I'd like to find a better way to cut these. Basically like that though. That's the idea. My mom taught me this trick. It's much easier to put your sour cream on first and spread it around rather than try and get sour cream to coat all of your toppings. So I do it like that. And next, rather than put everything directly on my burrito, I'm going to mix everything together in a Pyrex 322 mixing bowl. So there's all my vegetables. Get some meat in there too. Sriracha sauce. Now I'll mix all this up. Put that on my burrito. I always do the same thing. I always put way too much stuff on. I've never been able to not put too much stuff on, but that's fine. That is just fine. More sriracha. Take one side, bring it over, scoop everything back, make it nice and tight. And I push anything in the bottom up, fold the bottom flap, and pull it to me, and keep rolling, and wash my hands. And that is a nice, tasty, healthy burrito for Taco Tuesday, just as I promised. Remember, healthy food is cheaper than junk food. My mission is to prove it and get you eating healthy. My name is Mike. This is my best friend Murphy. And this is the vegetable chopping channel.